Good morning, and let's get ready for the day. I don't even know what this vlog is gonna be about. I wanna get ready just so I can look a little bit more put together.
Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am a stay-at-home mom of two. I haven't posted in a long time, I think over a month now, which I was very unhappy. I was feeling very unmotivated. There's been a few new things in my life that's going on, and I think that's why I just haven't been posting so much. But I realize now that the longer I don't post, the less happy I feel. And so I really want to start prioritizing my mental health and like just taking care of myself a lot more. And so, yeah, thank you so much for being here. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Thank you for sticking around. I was seeing progress. I have 47 subscribers now, so there's some progress. But thank you so much for being here.
Okay, so let's start cleaning the kitchen. I wanna clean today, so I think that's what's gonna be, just so that I can feel more motivated for the day, because when the house is dirty, I cannot function. So let's start cleaning the kitchen first. Once the kitchen is clean, I feel a lot better. So yeah, let's go. Also, my man, he got me a coffee from McDonald's, and I love McDonald's coffee. So good. I think I need one more though. I'm gonna do today the floors, because since it's raining, there's gonna be mud everywhere. So I'm just gonna sweep, but I'm not gonna mop today. Probably when it's done raining, which is in a few days. It's gonna be raining all week basically. So that's why I am not gonna mop this whole week. Like in this 4 days, I think it's supposed to rain 4 days straight. Your baby, mommy? Be careful, that's daddy's speaker, okay?
acaban igual. 4 perdidas, dice dónde está. Me hago la loca mientras me desvisto, y me dejo en visto. Yo te juro que no estoy con nadie más. Y te pido siempre otra oportunidad. No me crees, pero lo digo de verdad. Yo te quiero para mí, solo tú me haces sentir así. Y no hay nadie más, o no hay nadie más, oh.
Okay, so now that I finished cleaning the kitchen, I'm gonna make myself some breakfast because I haven't had breakfast, so I'm gonna make some breakfast. And it's always my usual eggs, turkey bacon, zucchini, avocado, and some little salsa on top. Like, that's always my go-to for proteins, low carbs, and you have all your fats, your protein. So
yo quiero algo más, no te hablo de boda ni de relación. Te hablo con el corazón en procesador. Parece que el tuyo lo han partido en dos, pero eso es locura. Un poco de cariño y toda mi atención. Si hay que tener miedo, que no es el amor. Prometo cuidar, ser mi mejor versión, porque no hay nadie como tú. Y no hay nadie más, no hay nadie más, oh. No hay nadie más, no hay nadie, solo tú. Y no hay nadie más, no hay nadie más, oh. Y no hay nadie más como tú. Y te juro que esta vez voy a cambiar.
okay, so I'm gonna start cleaning this area right here because it's actually my boyfriend's closet and it is a mess. I've been meaning to get to it, so it's a little messy, but today we're gonna do that because why not? I am tired of seeing his closet so messy, so let's get to it. By the way, I don't have, there's not a lot of storage that can go in there, so we have to work with what we got. So I'm gonna show you guys. So this is how it looks. Yeah, it's pretty messy. And yeah, so let's get to it. I think I'm gonna do the bottom one first and then the top one. So yeah. The bottom, his pants are gonna go in there. Swords. Oh my god. His pajamas. When has he ever worn this? These are gonna be on the side. I could ask him about these later. His long johns. Pajamas. Okay. His pajamas. These are kind of like, I don't know, I don't really like these. But we'll see.
nada entretenido. Eres mi lugar favorito. Ey, pa, no me dejes sola ni un ratito. Contigo todo es una chimba, con nosotros nada entretenido. Eres mi lugar favorito. Ey, pa, no me dejes sola ni un ratito. Contigo todo es una chimba, con nosotros nada entretenido. Eres mi lugar favorito. Contigo todo es una chimba. Eres mi lugar favorito. Contigo todo es una chimba, con nosotros nada entretenido. Eres mi lugar favorito. Contigo todo es una chimba, con nosotros nada entretenido. Eres mi lugar favorito. Ey, pa, no me dejes sola ni un ratito. Contigo todo es una chimba, con nosotros nada entretenido. Eres mi lugar favorito. Ey, pa, no me dejes sola ni un ratito. Contigo.
This is where we first met. If you know, you know. Down and up. Yeah, fun fact, he used to work at Down and Out at a bar, and that's how we met. And he still doesn't want to throw away that shirt because he says it reminds him, like it's like a memory when we first met. Here, I'm gonna go get your diaper real quick. Sure, mommy. Okay, so it's a little better. His sweaters and jackets, ones that he hardly wears, they put them up there. His regular shirts to go out, well, some of them are in the closet, These are just like his t-shirts, his hats on this side. These are his work shirts. Some hoodies that he wears regularly. And these are his jeans, pants, like cargo pants. And then his sweatpants, shorts, some of his shorts. Oh, which I don't know why this one's in here actually, because his shorts go on the other. And then his shoes, I still need to figure out, because I want to ask him if he wants to throw some away, because there's a lot. So I don't know. I think I'm gonna just do it and organize them. These were the only things that I was able to throw away, so yeah. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and yeah, I will see you guys next week. I'm gonna try to post twice a day again, and I feel a lot better now that his closet is clean. I want to shower already because it was super like dusty and nasty, so I'm gonna change shower. But if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe, and